All right, classic travel trailer hitch. We got a barbecue, a swing arm. We got the spare tire. And this is gonna go right there. All right, and here's what we're using to set this up. You can mount it to the top if you wanted. You can mount it underneath, which is what we're gonna do because the piece that we're gonna use is gonna go through this too far where it would hit the back. One thing, if you are mounting underneath, make sure you have enough clearance when you pull out. Now, our spare tire here is going to sit lower than this. I checked, so I know this is not going to add any kind of interference to it. Also, remember, these bumpers are only rated for like 100 pounds at best, so don't be putting a ton of weight on this thing. This is going to hold a flagpole for us. You could put a spare cargo carrier or something like that, but again, watch the weight. Now we got it just on there. It's gonna not let go, but it's loose because you want to do a test fit. Make sure everything's where you want it, and it's all gonna work exactly how you need before you get too far into it. Okay, so this is right where we want it. This is perfect. We're gonna want to maybe even scooch it over a little bit and put it right about there. I think it's gonna be good because we got the grill that's gonna come back here. I'm going to make sure that clears just fine. For this jump today, we are using the Worx Nitro with the adapter here. This is their new system. It's brushless, 20 volt. We got 3 power levels on it here. Got the light on, nice stays on there. Look at the size on that. That is compact. 1, 2, 3. It does not have a smart setting. I'm a little bummed about that. Other thing is this battery, it comes with, it's a 2 amp hour battery. There's no lights on the battery. That's kind of a bummer. But I gotta tell you, I'm really impressed with the size. We'll see about the performance. We're testing it on the hitch install. Let's go. All right, here is the finished product. Got the plate on top. We got this nice and tight. I got this right where I want. As you see, it's further back. And we're gonna see if we can show you underneath here. You see down there, that would have come up and hit this if we'd done it that way. You got enough clearance here from this. It's not sticking out past that. Couple key points to keep in mind here. This is not for towing, okay? This is lightweight kind of stuff for flags and accessory brackets, stuff like that. You're not going to tow your boat with this kind of hitch, all right? Also, the flagpole, I had to remove the outermost sleeve to get it to fit. Keep that in mind, so you're not going to get full extension. Thanks again for Worx for sending these for review. We'll have links to everything down below if you're interested. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.